All right, Mr. Harmless here, and we're ready for the second half of these notes. Areas of rhombi and kites. Rhombi is plural for rhombus. Okay, a rhombus is a parallelogram with all four sides congruent. So if all four sides are the same length, boom, 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 exactly the same length, that is considered a rhombus. A kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of consecutive sides congruent. So here's an example of a kite. This side would be the same length as this side. This one is the same length as this one. Nothing is parallel in a kite. There's no parallel sides in a kite. Now, finding the area of a rhombus, you could just use the formula for a parallelogram, but sometimes they don't give you the height of it, and they don't give you the lengths of these sides. And so one of the things that you have to do is say, well, if it gives you the diagonals, how far is it across? And it'll work with a kite as well. What is it from opposite corners? Diagonal, 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 diagonal. That's called a diagonal. One of the ways to find that is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Now, there's a great interesting reason why that works out that way, and it has to do with triangles, finding the area of triangles. But that's not important for what we're doing. What we're doing is we just need to find the area if you're given the diagonals. And here's a nice little formula for that. 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Got one example before you try some on your own. This is a rhombus, which means all four sides are congruent. All we're doing is finding the area of this rhombus. And when we go to find the area of it, notice one diagonal is shown right here, 7. The other diagonal from here to here is shown by showing it out here, 9. So honestly, very simple problem. 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And so on my calculator, all I'm going to do is 0.5 times 7 times 9. 0.5 times 7 times 9 is 31.5. And it's centimeters, so it'd be centimeters squared. Okay, and that is the area of a rhombus. This would also work for the area of a kite, diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 times 1/2. Go ahead and try those exercises, see how you do.